Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to change date and time on this device. So the only thing that you can change on the watch itself is the time ahead, so you can only advance time on the watch up to 1 hour, and to do that you have to enter your passcode, then press the digital crown to open the list of all applications. Then on this list you have to select settings, open settings application, and then scroll down to the clock setting, open it, and then scroll down until you find the plus 0 mean and tap on this feature. And now by scrolling the digital crown you can add minutes to your current time. So for example, let's add 45 minutes and press OK in the bottom right corner, and right now it will display 1925 instead of 1840. So as you can see, the time has changed, and now you can change it back by selecting the same option and then removing the additional time. Then press OK, and your device will once again show the correct date and time. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it with your phone if you want more advanced options. So on your phone you have to open the, give me a moment. You have to open the settings application, then go to general, and then in general select date and time, except for we have to find it first. Okay, so once you find date and time, open this menu, and now you can first of all you can toggle the time between 24 and 12-hour formats, though I think it needs some time to change. Or you can switch the toggle to the left next to set automatically, and here by expanding this list you can select the time zone for both your iPhone and your Apple Watch, and all you have to do is just select the time zone from the list once it appears on your screen. So or just start looking for it now, and this way, as you can see, the time also changes on the Apple Watch. But if you select this or this option right here, you can also change the date and the time of your Apple Watch like this. And once you do that, the changes will be applied automatically. As you can see, the time has already changed on the watch, and basically that's how you change your date and time however you want on your Apple Watch. So if you want to discard changes, just switch the toggle back to the right. Okay, now let's get back to date and time, then switch the toggle back to the right, and your date and time will be correct once again. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.